with a new series. We're gonna be playing some a faction that both of Connor and Viper made for this series. Say hi, you guys.
Hi. Hi.
And can you come back on the server, Connor?
No.
Why?
Cause.
Alright. Well, you'll probably see him in later episodes, guys. But if you're looking what I'm doing, we are starting to set up Warzone. Oh, I broke something I did not need to break. We're starting to set up Warzone. He's coding, I believe.
Damn, how do you know? Jeez. I'm good at this.
I listen to everything. Almost everything.
She knows how to build.
It feels like it might give somebody seizures if you light this thing up. I don't know why. Oh, thank you.
I'm tired of that shit.
Same. Well, I've been much worse. I've been staying up till like 2 to get all my videos been doing.
Yeah.
I'm recording. So I'm recording around like 1:20 at night. I don't usually care. I think we should extend this more out that way, and then we have war zones, and then probably further along this path can be food here, and then we have enchantment table over here.
Wait, what's this gonna be right here?
Over there is farm. This would be like the food farm, enchantment. What else is here? Yeah, food, enchantment. Shop will probably be over here.
Wait. Come to... TP me now. This is like a different world that I made with multiverse. Do you wanna make it here?
Hold on. Here?
Like you make it here, but like where nobody can see it and like it's private.
True, but problem is if you do not have it, you have to have it in spawn because when they were wild, they would be sitting out them to here. So it's not in our safe zone, but people just like be able to right outside.
Oh wait, how about we build it underground under spawn?
True.
Like we do this right here. We can build a hole right here.
And then we allow them to go underwater, under the ground. Sorry, not underwater.
Yeah.
Well, if we do push this out to where I have my markers, we can push it out so we actually can raise it up more. Then we can curve it out. And then we have the spawn, like, we have like one section. Let me do //1 really fast. We have a one section, that goes up, I say to here-ish. I'm gonna do, wait, I didn't get it that wrong. Oops. I'm gonna do //set 15, I think it is. Oh, that's iron. But that can be like that. Let me just //undo. And
How's it gonna be? Like, is it gonna be like a big wall in the middle of...
Well, you won't be able to see this because we're gonna cut this whole thing down. And then they can do /wild when they're ready.
Oh. Okay.
Trying to think how I might lay this out because if we have this coming through and this coming through, we have to take off all these pillars. And I want to keep these pillars. Unless we drop down 3 blocks. This is where it's set at, 3 blocks. If you destroy the water, we have a nice little curvature here. I'm just gonna /0 all the way over here, all the way to where my marker is, around here, //set 0. Oh, that should be good enough for a shot, if I think about it. Yeah, because we need enchantment books, leather, everything in here.
They could not be better. Perfect condition. Usable arm and let's go straight to the ground. We've got common teams like Tyler and Alan.
Connor,
What?
come on the server.
I can enjoy the next night.
Come on. It's still fun.
What?
Come on the server.
Why?
Because we need your help. Because I need help with layout. Because I'm confused. I'm actually very confused how I'm going to lay this out.
Mm-hmm.
Because we need
Hello
steps.
everyone. I'm Tyler here.
Do you know if like crazy Russian hacker or something?
Welcome to today's
Me?
No, Viper. It sounds like he is.
Wait, what?
You're watching like crazy Russian hacker?
No, that's Connor.
Here's the opportunity.
Wow. Playing freaking FIFA. You think I'm freaking watching a hacker? Wow. Like, wow.
It's a YouTube channel.
Well, why would
Crazy
I
Russian
be
hacker.
watching it if I'm freaking playing FIFA?
Okay.
Connor, you can calm down, dude.
Sorry, Jesse. I don't want to yell at you.
Yeah, he wants to yell at me because he's mean.
Yes, I do.
Calm down. This is recording, dude.
No, it's like you're the person that you're like, delete it.
It's
Oh,
over.
yeah.
It's over. Calm down. It's over. It's over.
I need to get
It's-
two
I
doesn't-
think new servers.
It's already gone. It's not my server. It's your server. You made it.
Yeah.
I'm just helping you on it so it can get popular and make it better. You know, you're doing us crying about it. I'm helping you. I'm trying to help you. I made all your ranks.
Want me to put my cam on and see tears coming out of my ears? What ears? What? What?
What did you say?
I'm not freaking crying out of my ears. I'm not even crying.
Oh my god.
Yeah, but you just keep getting mad at me for no reason.
Yeah, because
Well,
you're
it's-
getting mad of the freaking video.
It's just one video.
You're saying, oh, I know
I'm helping you on your
It's
server.
just stupid how you're like, I know you hate me just because she comes on. Like, you just say it.
No.
Yes. Like, just because I don't want to record with you doesn't mean I hate you.
Kinda does. Because you get all mad. You hate me right now because you're getting mad at me. That's kind of why.
Friggin'
It's okay though. You can hate me. I'm
got
still
you a
helping.
game and
I'm
you
still gonna help on you, but it's just okay. You can still hate me. I'll
And
still
like-
help.
game that you actually really wanted.
What?
Well, sorry.
I think we should make
You really wanted that.
17.
You got it, please.
That's pretty good. Oh, I put 14. Oops. I think it's too thick. Oh, I can easily shape this down.
Wait, what's this gonna be?
Shop.
This is an opportunity
Stop, okay.
to break out from the back.
Oh,
Oh, I see what it's gonna be. Okay, I get it.
Do you wonder why I have like mad clicky reflexes?
Why?
Because I have like a really clicky mouse, so I can easily click really fast.
Oh, nice.
Not a gaming mouse, it's just like a standard mouse.
Are we gonna make this oak too?
Yeah, I'm gonna. Once we get the iron frames in and stuff, I'm gonna change like the iron frame to stone, so it's like too plain. Just
I think it's the here, right?
yeah, just around there. Let me curve in. Hey, let me just show you which way we're going in. Let me just curve in here, and then we just build it up. It's just easier to like a little street like that. Not sure if that's high enough. It's not me, you wanna go out longer. Oh. Oh.
Jesse.
Yeah?
You know what's cool?
Hmm.
Every time, my kid ever, like, I got my rank back, and then I keep getting more money.
That's That's weird.
I got the kit Voyager now, and now I'm doing the kit Voyager. Yeah, diamond armor. Yay.
Yeah.
Always what I wanted. You get
Okay.
more protection and more iron and more diamonds. I think at home. Should be. Yep, it is.
I'm gonna get some stone bricks or some iron blocks.
Oh, no.
Are you still recording, Justin?
Yeah, I'm still recording. I should be recording for like another 20 minutes maybe. I usually make really long videos. Depends on how much time I have.
The attack here. In the goal. From the chance.
Oh, I failed. There we go.
It's a serious situation, and on he goes. It's good balance to avoid the sliding challenge.
How's it gonna work tomorrow?
I have to go on a hike tomorrow.
With the what?
I have to go on a hike.
Keep the ball at the moment.
I gotta work. We can just set it to our break, you know.
Yeah, I know. I don't know the code for that though.
Ooh.
Okay.
It's just slash brick.
Oh, great.
Or slash set brick, you know.
Arthur. Holy crap. Hungry.
This is a nice shop. Yeah, it should be a nice shop. It'd be nice.
Yeah, I just gotta like actually like put stone bricks on here, so then you won't be able to see the outside a little bit, because I don't like seeing outside stuff. I think that should be actually good.
Here, let's just go like two more. Let's just go two more higher, and that'll be it.
We can't because of the glass. We'll be able because the glass is gonna be in there.
Wait, it's the.
If you go
What's
too
it?
high, if it goes to here, it's gonna be bad because the glass is in the way then.
I forget. I forget about it. It was just there.
Yeah, this is fine. You can have like a nice open skylight, I guess.
Are we gonna put a roof on it?
Yeah, we're gonna have like a little skylight roof up here. Yeah. Like
He's playing it back to the goalkeeper. That's down.
Oh, change my use for this part.
Why'd you ban him?
Benny.
He got.
I can see in the console locked.
Really good save, but that's when he needs to help
Yeah.
his defenders.
Console ban Camo for the ban hammer has spoken.
To who?
Camo, I see it in the chat.
Grab the ball. No.
Who banned him? Who banned him?
I don't know, Console did. I just unbanned him.
Kinda, you just ban yourself?
No. No. Oh.
I'm guessing that's a no. Who has access to the console? Just you, right?
Yeah. I swear I'd never do it. I was just saying to my test spread.
Okay. I do trust you.
Connor.
That only character that sucks at grabbing a ball.
I think he didn't ban himself. I know he has access to the
What?
console. Did you ban
Right.
yourself?
Me?
Yeah.
I'm playing FIFA.
Oh, I
Why?
did something wrong. Because it said in the console. Console has banned Camo 356, the ban hammer has spoken.
Opportunity.
Oh, that's weird. Why would I? Oh.
Well, the back four was beaten, but
Alright, let's start. Oh, I have an idea. Let's start putting this down.
yeah, it's good move.
I think we should do like a nice,
We can't put picture frames down, you know why?
yeah, we can.
No, we can't because people can break them. It's a plugin. I don't know the plugin.
Oh, okay. We
Even
can
if
just
you
put like chest and we can say what it is on top.
Yeah, we'll do that.
Let me just find some nice. Will iron do or snow?
We could just put like a block like right here, like this.
Oh.
Well, I feel like two. You have placed an anvil. Really bad idea to place an anvil.
Like this, like this would be glass and then wood and do that. That'll probably work probably.
True. But if we want to get the chest up, we need like snow. Cause how are we gonna contrast this room? Oops, sorry, accent went in. I guess we can do that. So we have to get like all different type of wood though and saplings. How are we gonna display saplings? That's the problem. Oh yeah, dirt. We're gonna make it nice again. So we have this. Well, you work on the sign, I'll work on the woods, okay?
Wait, what am I supposed to do?
Can you work on like the buying sign, selling sign?
Oh, the buying. Oh, okay.
Buying and selling, yeah. We need stone, dirt, this stuff, cobblestone,
Yeah, put some like. Don't put like the crappy ones.
dirt. People get a lot of dirt.
Put like TNT down. You need TNT, I think.
TNT, obsidian, moss
Yep,
cobble,
obsidian.
bricks.
What else do we need?
I guess we can have like stained clay,
Oh, you need sticky pistons.
sticky pistons. We also need some of this stuff, so I'm gonna place this down really fast.
Alright. What else?
Then we have like redstone torches. Oh, I forgot to put the obsidian down. The pumpkins probably be good.
Oh yeah, sponge.
Sponge. They usually don't get sponges.
There's no sponges?
They,
I heard sponges are really rare stuff.
yeah, just put the sponges. And they can be like a K, 1K or something. We can have wool.
Where's my food?
Putting the whole wool down. That's kind of OCD. We gotta stop out of gray.
Where'd you get glass?
Yeah, but let me put all the wool down first. Yeah, I'm gonna remove this one and put all this wool down first. So then once we find out enough space, we can. You can put the glass down now, that's all the wool. I think we should make like an underground bit, maybe. Maybe,
Oh, we need sand.
yeah, I have to find the center of this thing we found. Roughly around here, so down. Oh, this is actually perfectly in line with stairs.
But we have a few more, so what should we do with the few more?
Put underground. You can put like an underground shop.
Alright, yeah, I'll do that. Oh, let's put a beacon.
Beacon?
Yeah.
Auto. No end stone. No, what's it called? No, end stone. No,
about-
what's it called? Bedrock, sorry. Because, you're not allowed to break that.
Wait, bedrock? You want bedrock?
No, because no bedrock. Because people can make infinite bases.
Unless I make like 1 mil.
Or 2 mil. Yeah, 2 mil sounds fine.
You wanna do that?
Sure, 2 mil.
For like 1 mil.
Yeah. Let me check my money really fast.
Another rack.
Put some nether quartz into
You there, from that angle from referee scorecard, you just gotta sort something out. You're gonna get yellow here, aren't you?
Alright, now we have to do this brick stuff. I like the brick, it looks pretty good.
Got the goal!
Block quartz.
Quartz, yeah. And then a quartz block, and then I guess like I have to clear this out, but it's just gonna be blocked out.
Are you gonna join us at all, Connor? Or are you just gonna play FIFA?
He actually need to. It's fine. Oh, I went out there. Okay, I went too far.
Sonny, you still mad at me?
No.
Okay, are we friends? Are we homies? Are we home dogs?
Oh god, I broke something.
You know, basically, you two are taking the server over, right?
We're just helping you out, dude. That's one.
We are. That's all I'm trying to do.
Like,
That is all I do for people. I just help
Like-
people out.
you never compliment me at Minecraft, but you compliment
do.
her. No, not you, Jesse. Him. He thinks Minecraft is stupid. That's what he says.
I don't think it's stupid. I'm just trying to help you out with the server.
You say, "Wow, that's stupid,"
I don't
and
say
then
it's
I
bad. I don't say that. No, I don't.
It's gravel.
screw you guys. I'm getting the Mary mod so I can marry her,
Oh my
You.
gosh.
my girlfriend. And I hear you.
Are you really gonna get? Do we really need it?
Yes.
Alright, I guess.
Balls. They're done.
Let me just.
I'm not gonna lag that much. It's just
Well, a lot of plugins lag like that, though.
yeah, but like there, Mary Begum. Yes.
Well, I can't marry you, Camo.
Oh, okay.
I want to marry you.
Here, come here. Come here.
Lose. I gotta put my game up there. You gonna help out?
Wow,
Oh.
Camo, you're not gonna marry me at all.
I'm sorry. You can be our son. Oops. You can be our
No,
son, okay?
No, I want to be. No.
Oh no, that hurts so much.
Okay, Campbell, say hi in chat.
Really? Who the ball said my name is the?
Me?
You
I'll
suck.
change it back.
Why would you do that?
That's
I
me, dude. It's me. I
Freaking.
changed it. Hold on,
What?
I didn't fix it yet. Hold on, I can see.
Bully.
No, my nickname isn't that.
I'm sorry.
It goes camo, like the back.
I am. I'm putting the camera.
Already did it. How do I get to the shop?
Once you go /spawn, we're starting in the shop. We're just getting the spot. This is
Wait,
the
is
shop.
this shop?
Yeah.
Wait. So,
We can change if you want.
you kind of I can tell you guys think that what I just did was stupid because you changed. Ugh,
Also on the
stop
side.
changing my nickname.
I'm not changing it.
No, he is.
Doing what's up to my nick.
Wait, how do I sell stuff? If for like admin shop. Do we just do
Hey, look at this name.
let me see.
Say it. Say something in chat, please.
Me?
Please. No, him.
Wait, what?
Please say something in chat.
Why?
Because do it.
No.
Do it!
No.
Let me see if I can message him.
Fireball. Hey guys. Is any of you in creative?
I'm in creative.
Is that? Really, Camo?
Are
Hey
you
Jesse,
serious?
can this lunch what? Oh yeah! Hi!
Hi.
Here. Mary give. You're welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're really OP sword. I'm sorry. Your beard's too much for me.
/ Nick. Sunday. There you go. Here's my name back.
Hello?
Yeah, how do we do admin
Ooh.
shop? Do we do / do we have to put in the sign? One
Guys,
one. Why did you
Oh my
turn
gosh, really?
Yeah, look at that Ender Dragon down there.
Dude, did you turn into an Ender Dragon?
Yes, I totally
How
did.
did you turn into an Ender Dragon?
And I'm bad. Bad? Not. I turned it myself.
Okay.
You bad mouth. Bad. Ah, there it is. Oh my god. He's invisible.
Oh, I'm an
Oh.
Ender Dragon. That looks like
Who's in survival?
I'm not in survival. I actually am not in survival. I'm an Ender Dragon. I want to dismount my mount. Slash bad. Ow. Mount. Ow. Okay. What did you do to me?
I did burn Cinday for 10 seconds.
Okay. Burn the camera.
It does nothing when you're in freaking creative. You're trying to do it to me.
Okay, I'm done.
Oh, dude.
SD Hyper, how'd you do?
Suck.
SD
Yes.
Hyper, how do you do
Yeah.
admin shops again? Yes, you. Dude, you know there's an Ender Dragon outside spawn.
Should I accept it or should?
Okay,
Kill
if
the
you're
Ender
not,
Dragon!
then I'm sorry, Jesse. Wait, what?
I'm killing this Ender Dragon.
Oh my god, I'm not married. Married or not?
I'm stuck in the Ender Dragon. Help!
Bye-bye.
Okay, I'm done.
Come on, just accept it or something. It's just getting really boring. I want to freaking marry. Ooh.
What does Ender Dragon have?
I want it. Balls,
You
I'm
can't-
in it, I think. Am I in it?
Yeah, you're inside of its like stomach.
No, you made me stuck still.
Dude, I know I'm inside of it again. No. Punch it to death. Dude, why can't I hit it? Okay, almost out. To be in you. I have to keep beating you. I'm gonna die. Okay, come on.
I guess bored.
Okay, I'm good.
No, oh my god. That was just freaking long.
How do you do admin shop? 64.
Should I break it again? Just kidding. I love you.
You know what wood?
Wow, I see how it is. So we're not friends anymore? Whatever. Cindy, I know the
This is why I get mad at you. You always say that. Because I say it, doesn't mean I hate you.
Wait, what is this? Wait, what's that?
Admin
What?
shops. I can't figure out how to make them.
No, what's the ID for it? For the Oakwood?
I think it's 5.
5?
Item info. It's 12.
Wow, I'm sorry.
Jeez, come on. How did you get so?
Sorry.
When was I yelling at you? When
Hey,
the
how much I sell for? Like 50?
64 sell and then up just buy 64
I
blocks.
just want to play Crazy Craft. Like, this is so boring. You guys think I'm yelling at you.
Well, you're yelling at us.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
Is that good enough? Oh my gosh, Cameron, what are you doing?
Freaking you think. You
I'm trying to make a
Yeah, I'm
sign. I'm trying to make a sign.
Well, then stop thinking I'm yelling at you.
No. It's not just over it.
Dude, look, there's an ender dragon up here. It won't die.
There you go.
Oh, I'm stuck again.
Can you guys sell on this?
No. I could have. None of you have money. I do. I have 2.8 million. I'll try it.
It's sell.
Oh, let me try. Oh.
It's sell. You have to get one in your inventory.
Let me try this.
Does it work?
Let me try this.
You need
Nope.
planks.
No, it doesn't work. We have chest shot, don't we? Thought we did. Wait, what's it?
Is it an admin shot?
Build something, but you guys keep breaking everything.
What's your make?
I'm just testing this out, so don't worry. No, it doesn't work. We don't have chest shot.
Do you want to try installing it?
We got rid of chest shop. We had chest shop. Who got rid of it?
I don't have access to the console.
Did you get rid of it? Whatever your name, Connor.
No.
I think when the server restarted, I think it had to get rid of it.
Yeah.
You're just gonna de-download it, I guess.
Wait, it says I have it. We have it.
Strange. I'm gonna bring record to like, well, it's 2:30 in the morning. I hope I can.
Oh my god. Someone TP, there's a cow and a black sheep humping each other. They're like, oh yeah. TP, look at them. They're just making out now. Look at that. Someone TP. Look at that. Neat. Okay, since none of you are coming, I'm just gonna butcher them.
What's going on?
Server crash.
Oh, it's alright.
Jeez! Oh, there we go. Now he's little things turning around. No, I'm not letting you have butt sex right in front of me.
Okay.
I need one of you guys' help for something.
Okay.
You're gonna do it? Okay. I need you to. Alright, talking chat.
Hi.
Okay, you go default. This one. I need to make perms for default. But can you do anything? Can you do such warp or anything like that?
Flash whip. No. Well, anyway, there's no whip defined. I think I do spawn. Yeah, I can do spawn.
Do slash help. What do you have?
Help. I have memory me, group manager, no cheat plus.
Oh, you're off. Oh, you're off. That's why.
Yeah, I'm not me. Let me just get out of game mode really fast. Oh, can you ungame mode me?
Whoops, my bad. Sorry.
Guys, I just made a warp. If you do warp, you warp shop. People would be stupid because if spawn's right here and people don't see the shop right there, I'm just gonna, you know, just keep it here if people, you know.
I have no access to whip shop. I have help up.
Oh, guys,
List,
I actually like how it's just instant
Camo.
for people.
Camo.
Yeah. What?
One sec. Wait, go ahead. Go ahead.
I have
Just
help op list MOTD rules and spawn. That's all I have.
Do you have warps at all?
Let me use slash whip.
I set
I'll use
up
the command.
Okay. I forgot how to do this.
What happened?
Stupid Mary thing. I don't like it. Here we go. Okay, ready? Main and the default. Wait, what should I add?
Do slash warp wild.
Okay, now try to do slash warp.
Slash warp. I have no access to the command.
Now try to do it.
Alright. Okay.
Okay, that's good. What else? DS slash message.
Slash message. No.
Cindy,
Why
hi.
did you change my name to I Love Cream? See, look at that.
Oh god. I'm gonna.
I'm not permitted to use an under chest.
We're gonna have a competition.
Wait, can you do slash message or no?
No.
Alright, now try it.
Oh my god, this is gonna be funny.
Yeah, I can use slash message now.
Can you do slash R?
Slash
Oh
R.
my god.
Yes.
Hey, Cindy. Jesse, say hi in chat.
I know, I
Perfect.
saw.
What else?
I think you only
Yes.
need slash warp
Yes.
and warp wild. And then
Yeah, but we don't have
homes you need.
Yeah, set home.
This is professional.
What else? What else is there?
I'm trying to set home. I can set home now. How do I get rid of my Dell home? You also need Dell home.
I forget what the other ones were.
Dell home.
Oh yeah. What else?
Guy. That's Dell home 1. And you should be able. What are you doing? Jumpy fist.
Nothing like teabag. Wait, no, let me teabag the bearded. Oh, yeah.
Dude, you know I got this all on camera, right?
Probably a little stupid enough.
I'm still recording.
Bob!
Ow!
Oh my god. Jesse, I forgot one thing. Jesse,
What?
look.
No, you never.
No, I just did skull. Watch, just do skull.
I can't do skull. I'm not opt.
Alright, what
Oh.
else is there? Do you know?
I think that's it. You need
Guys, when we do
TPA.
when we do oh wait, I forgot we can't do a faction series.
Why? Why? We can add the factions in.
I can only do it with you.
Just TPA here. Just TPA.
No TPA
There's
here until they donate.
TPA deny.
Yeah, we only need TPA deny. No TPA here. Because it instant TPs them.
Oh, TPA accept. Stop it. Stop.
Stop.
Oh my god.
Seriously?
It's not funny.
It kinda is.
It's kind of not.
Yeah, it is.
No TPA here. They have to donate to get TPA here and other kits. Oh yeah, kits like kit tools.
Hey,
Get
who wants to
started.
have a race?
On what?
Jesse, wanna have a race?
On what?
Come here. Beefy. Well, beefy. Crap.
I'm right next to you.
That was stupid. Okay. First, to make it. Are you ready? Here's the little line.
Where are we going to?
All the way to this.
Okay, no flying. You gotta turn on game mode 1.
I'm not flying.
No, when you start running, you cannot fly.
Alright, are you ready? I'm on your mark. Get set. Wait, hold up. I gotta start flying. Are you ready?
Okay.
Go!
Cheat.
Ooh, I have speed on.
You
Wait,
suck.
go again. Go again.
Oh god.
Let go, Jesse, let go.
Okay, wait, are you guys ready?
We're gonna have the fast race this time. You ready?
3,
2.
2, 1, go.
Go! I gotta, no. Wait, did I win?
I win.
Okay, no you didn't.
Oh,
Okay,
we have to go back. We have to go
I
back.
kind of went off. How about let's start from back here? Yeah.
Oh god. Ow. Right here.
Come on over. Okay, you ready?
3,
3,
2,
2,
1.
1,
Go.
go. You're gonna win, aren't you?
I took the easy way up, but I failed.
Oh, what? I was flying. Balls. I cheated. Okay. You get a point for that. We gotta start over.
I need food.
Are we gonna work on the shop or what?
Okay.
Yeah, can you get this buff
Disconnect
off?
and join back. Disconnect and join back.
Okay.
What does that do?
It gets rid of your buffs.
It'll stop your running.
Yep, it worked. Can I have my alt back?
Oh my god. I accidentally got silverfish. Holy crap. Oh my god. I guess we have to keep that giant pillar or silverfish. Are just gonna follow us.
Talking chat.
Yeah, I'm good. I want /Nick.
I would not. Hey, Viper, you wanna break this up with me? Yes, silverfish. Yes, totally. Just the natural way to do. Freak.
I am so tempted to do this. If you see on my screen, I'm so tempted to do this. I have to do this. I have to do this.
What? Lightning?
No.
Kitty cannon.
This.
We.
Say hi in chat. Dude, say hi in chat.
Me?
No. Can't. Connor, do. It's actually a good, I'll change it back. There you go.
Oh crap.
Good job. Seriously.
Camo, talking chat. Talking chat.
We gotta get this. Well, we can't finish shop because we have no thingamabobber. The admin shop, unless we get it.
Are you guys bored?
Hello. I think his internet crashed.
No, I think it's just playing.
What?
Connor.
What?
Hey, sexy.
My head hurts back and forth.
Doesn't.
I have to get off soon, guys. I have to leave in like 29 minutes.
I'm going on the little server we have on. Oh yeah, Jesse, me and Viper. Holy crap, we are making a mansion and the biggest farm on Earth.
On which one?
On our survival, but me and
this
him both. We just, while you're off, we just, play.
Oh.
Ow,
I guess
I'm watching myself.
Alright guys, I guess this is gonna be
I'm on this.
I guess this is gonna be the end of the video. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. And please subscribe to me and K-Multi5's channel. Put the link.
And me, God.
Sorry, Viper, I didn't know you had the channel. To Viper as well. STN Viper. I'll put his channel in the description below. And if you like this, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So, peace.
Come on, get on.